Hi, I'll show you how to download Soezzeapp. Download in your Android and iOS phone from your Play Store or sign up from our website. Install the app. Purple logo is for the providers. Sign up with all your registration details. Enter your OTP to confirm your mobile. Allow permission to get live alerts from Soezze. Add services has three options: taxi, deliverer and server. If you are a service provider, select the kind of services you provide from the list below and also the details on it. Select the charges of the services already provided, or you can enter your own amount. If you are a taxi or a motor rider, add all your vehicle details with the complete documentation and submit. If you are delivering the product, you need to add up all your details starting up with that services. Select the kind of product you deliver from the list below and add your vehicle details. And add a profile image, save up your profile details and add documents. The documentation of your transport order services is needed. Initially, managed documents will show red when you have not finished your documentation. After you submit your documents, it will turn green. Now add your bank details to receive payments from Soezzeapp. That's it. Now wait for the admin to approve, then you're online. Now you're ready to provide your services.